Hello, welcome back to the another episode of What's Cooking, and I'm Andrew, and I'm making the seafood BLT wrap. And so far, the first thing I would do is spread the mayonnaise, then it'd be lettuce, and tomato, and I cut it in half. Then I add the shrimp salad, then a handful of the steam of crab. It got Old Bay, salt, and pepper, and I got the cheese and bacon, and it'd be 2 slices. And then just cut the sides, fold it, then cut the sides a little bit, then roll it, then cut it and Hello, this will be available on Bistro and Cafe on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Saturdays.